First of all, what are soft blocks? They're point shoes without a shank. This is a point shoe, and this is the hard shank that provides the support on point. A soft block doesn't have that, it bends. So you can't go on point in a soft block. But they're used as a preparatory point shoe, and they're also used in major grades. When you're preparing a soft block, you've got to think about where they're going to be used, where they're going to take the weight. And a soft block is used like this. So all of the wear and tear happens underneath the shoe here, never on the platform on point. So we don't darn and protect the tip, you darn and protect the underside. So that's a soft block, and that's a point shoe protection, very different. Notice as well that the protection underneath goes much lower down. You need it all the way down here as well. Likewise with the ribbons, you don't need elastic on the back of a soft block. So if I were to mark this one up, I would fold it and I'd set the ribbon forward and back. So right in the middle of that fold. And onto the stitching. If you've been following the videos about darning or protecting point shoes, you'll have seen the suede tips being glued on. Now the bad news is, on a soft block, no such thing has been invented. There isn't a suede tip or a suede patch that you can glue onto this part of the shoe. The good news is, it's much easier to sew soft blocks than point shoes. I'm going to suggest, exactly as I did for the point shoes, that you begin on the underside. And I'm going to start right in the middle. Make that first stitch. And then one stitch to hold it. If you go too deep, you'll feel the glue and the block. You're only catching the satin. And this stitch is simply to secure it instead of putting a knot in. So that's firm enough now. The smaller you make the stitch, the better. It depends how much patience you've got. Flip flat. Turn. No loop. And stop. Through the loop. Casting off. So deep into the shoe. Come up anywhere you like. Another stitch to secure. Anywhere you like, doesn't matter. And that's ready to cut away. That chain stitch is the only stitch you need. Casting on, and casting off. You just follow the line, round, turn, back again, and round, and keep going. I'm signing off now to find somewhere comfortable to sew. And here is Tish to help me model the finished shoe. He likes to check it out from all angles, the underneath, on the side, on the platform. Folding the back, and as explained in the Pointe shoe ribbon video, there won't be any elastic on these. So from the fold, the ribbon goes just a little bit further back and angled that way. Room to turn, one little pin, same on the other side, folding, there's the corner, ribbon in, there's the gentle angle, one little pin. And now I think he's going to come and sit on my lap while I sew these. Here are the ribbons in place, and for full details on how to sew those ribbons if you need it, it's in the Pointe shoe ribbon video guide. Soft block's finished, underside protected, and just half of that platform.